We're not satisfied with the so-called world's largest gummy worm, so we're going to make our own that's a lot bigger.
So we have some stuff today.
I like gummy worms.
Gummy worms are pretty great.
I know a lot of people like gummy worms.
Gummy worms are probably my family's favorite snack to have on the long car ride, but
It just could be bigger. You can already buy bigger versions of gummy worms. This right here is like a 3-pound gummy worm.
Pretty
and I
great.
gotta say, this is a good step up. But I think we can do better. Here's the basic idea. Using the gummy candy recipe that we've shown you in the past, we're going to make an enormous gummy worm, almost 4 feet long. I'm eating this and it's sour, and so it's making me salivate. It's hard to talk.
I'm just letting it happen.
Following the trend of the 3-pound gummy worm, we're going to take things up to over 4 feet long. And so here you can see we've got a piece of corrugated pipe, and this is where we're going to be making our gummy worm in. So it'll be about 4 inches tall, over 4 feet wide. Did you dip this in extra malic acid? Malic acid is a sour powder that's often used in sour candies.
Oh, you actually tried it.
Yeah.
I didn't think that was gonna happen. I was gonna take one for the team and try it, but he just went for it.
Oh, wow. That's sour, guys. Real sour. All right, so here's the idea. We're going to prep our corrugated tube.
Yep.
Then we're going to start making our gelatin candy, and we're just gonna fill. We're gonna do the red and blue variety. So we've got some red Jello, some blue Jello, our corn syrup, and we've got some gelatin. We're just gonna be making the normal recipe, and we're gonna fill the 2 sides with the red and the blue. We've got some domed, these were like Christmas ornament, make your own Christmas ornament.
Come into handy so many times. We actually use these in the giant Skittles.
They're a great size. They're just gonna fit right on the side here. We're going to use hot glue to attach them. This
Should be
good.
great.
This recipe works really well if you're trying to get a very clear pour on stuff by just letting it sit, removing all the bubbles, skimming it, and if you really want, you can like pour it into a glass and let it cool down and then cut off. We don't actually need it to be perfectly clear. None of these gummy sour worms that we have are clear. So if it has a little bit of opacity to it, that's not a problem for us. I like it. All right, this is fantastic, and it's a lot of heat, so we're gonna just let this cool until tomorrow.
Yeah, we did it.
It's been overnight. This is set.
So
it's
excited.
nice and solid gummy. I mean, it's squishy, but it's solidified squishy, not liquid squishy. All right, let's see if we
That's
can.
fun. Actually get this to peel apart.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
Yeah. Gummy worm, gummy worm.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh, that looks so good.
Oh my
Weird
gosh.
color variation we have. The malic acid, we gotta make it sour.
This is ridiculous.
All right, I'm very happy with our results of our gummy worm. I admit we could have gone with something to add opacity to it, and then it would look more like it. When I first thought giant gummy worm, my thought was like the clear gummy worms that aren't like the sour ones. I was looking at the giant ones and I was like, oh, they have like a sour giant one. That's even better. So I got that. We didn't change our recipe for that, but I'm still very happy with it. It is a giant gummy worm.
It's fantastic.
I want to do taste tests. Oh, that surface acid. It's not identical, but it's similar. It really is pretty much the same as like normal gummy worms, the clear kind. Oh boy, and that sour gets ya. It will. Right about now.
It's so good.
Well, we've got our giant gummy worm and we need to put it to a couple tests for strength. So I want to grab one end of it and just spin around in a circle and see how well it holds together.
First, I want to see if we can both, like how far we can stretch it. Oh, it's so, oh, the malic acid
Yep,
was a
just
terrible
dissolved
choice.
the gooey outside. Ugh. I don't think we're gonna be able to hold on to it well enough to tear it. Let's try.
I don't want to, I just want to see if it's,
Oh,
it's a stretch.
it is stretching. And my hands are like just sliding down.
All right, you want to just swing this thing around, don't you?
I do. I want to just
Okay,
spin.
we've got a tear right there, so
Well,
just
that might be where it tears. Oh, 21-pound gummy worm. Here goes. Whee! Eagle!
No.
No, it's gross.
Wait, I'm gonna try this side. I actually don't think I can lift it that way.
Here, this part's gonna tear off and then it will weigh less. There it is.
Ew, it's covered in grass now.
Yeah.
All right, the only way I could hold on to it was by digging my hands into it.
Stabbing it.
Yes. That didn't work so well.
I want to see if we can swing
Fight?
and smack the pieces of
All
gummy
right.
worm like a sword fight. Oh, your weapon's falling apart.
If I can tear to an inside part, I'll take a bite out of it. But I can't, and it's covered in.
It's actually
grass.
remarkably tear resistant.
There we go. That's just inside part. It's bite resistant. Gross.
Hard to bite into, you're right.
High five. Ah! I hated that.
I'm gonna try and toss it.
Do it.
Oh, it worked.
Ha!
Kind of thought it was just gonna stick. If I do a little toss, it sticks.
Okay, I think I'm tapping out.
It's getting stickier.
I can't. I'm
It
too
dries
sticky.
off a little.
I'm done. I'm out. I'm out.
Here you go, Cal.
No! No! Guys, that's not all. We've always got more for you to see. Hit that button right there to subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.